really is killing me. I wish I could stay in Panama for more than just a week. Like, this place is just really nice. I know I'm just like at a mall in Panama City right now, but like the last two cities were incredible. This city's incredible, and not to mention, I still have to do the San Blas Islands, which I'm leaving for tomorrow. So right now, I just checked into my hostel. I just left my bag in the storage room, but I have to head to the Western Union, take out money. You know, when people say it's like a Miami, but cheaper, it really is. This place really does feel like Miami. At first I was like, okay, it might feel like Mexico City. Mexico City feels totally different than this. Oh my God. You know, one of the hardest decisions is figuring out what alcohol to bring on this 6-day boat ride. Okay, I'm thinking vodka. There is a deal on Smirnoff. I have spent so much money that I probably spent like 3 times my budget today alone. Not to mention that for the next 6 days, I'm spending over 4 times my budget. It is killing. This is probably going to be the most expensive activity or thing or just sum that I spend within all my years of travel. I don't see anything else that could be as expensive as this. It's like probably over 1,000 Canadian dollars. Insane. Also, not to mention, I bought this new shirt. Kind of like it. I did get some other pants with it, like some swimming shorts, because, well, someone stole my swimming shorts in La Fortuna. Anyways, I'm headed to the boardwalk right now. It should be about a 45-minute walk. Damn, low-key, I ain't even lying. This place is gorgeous. Oh my God. I wouldn't mind living here, to be honest. Feels like a better Toronto. Way better. You know, Panama really does seem like one of those places I would come back to. Panama, Guatemala, and Mexico, I would definitely go back to. The rest of the countries, not really. El Salvador was very nice, but I would give it about 5 years. Nicaragua, only got to go there once. Like, it's nice, but only got to go there once. You know what, I think I have to say Panama might have to be one of the best countries I've been to. It is just incredible. Every city I've gone to, you know, most places I say, you know, the people make the place. I've met great people in amazing places. I've met great people in awful places. But in Panama, I haven't met anyone, and every place has been awesome. So that just means that it really is awesome. And if there were people that I did meet and that I did get to know, it could have been even better. Good morning. I have everything ready. I got all my food and snacks over there. And right now I'm just kind of waiting for my shuttle. So hopefully it'll show up soon. God, it's hot out here. Yeah, I guess this is our boat that I'm going to be on for the next couple days. So this will be my bed for the next 5 days. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this one. It was between this one or this one. And since it does not have a view, this one has a beautiful headside view, so I'll be seeing this. I've decided to go for this one. Just ordered food, so right now we're just waiting. I just got a light sandwich. We're just sitting at the table. Yeah. So we just ate, and right now we're headed to the store. Alrighty, I think we should give a little boat tour. So we got the front over here, giant bean bags. This is the entrance and exit of the boat. The stern, the kitchen. Got back here, we got some fruits hanging, classical. We got the like a small little boat right there, little engine for that boat. Some more things. Here's the storage. I still gotta grab my bag. And if we come down here, here are the sleeping quarters. We have 2 big beds over here, and then we have a couple just over here. Actually, I want to check this out. Damn, this is claustrophobic as hell. Oh my God. What the hell? Oh damn, you guys got a statue here? 2 fans? Y'all live in luxury. That is psychotic. Oh my God. We got a couple books right here. Come down. 2-bedroom over here. This is my bed. Someone else's bed. I can put my bag right there. And that's a tour of the boat. So it turns out that's the captain's bed. But we just got briefed on like the rules and, you know, stuff we should know. But we gotta put our sandals away, and I kind of don't remember where I put my shoes. Hopefully they're underneath my bed. We have now set sail. Damn. 5 or 6 days. It's gonna be wild. They took the top off. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It has started raining a little. Yeah. So I brought 2 beer bottles on this trip, and I have to say, beer caps I've collected. We got a triple decker sandwich. Insane. Good morning. It is day 2 boat ride, and we've made it to the island. They're dropping fish off, and I guess we're having that for barbecue for lunch, and we're having a giant bonfire tonight. So let's see how that goes. My crew left me. I'm kind of stuck on the boat now. Great. They do have snorkeling gear, so actually I do have to grab my little flotation device so I don't lose my GoPro in the water. But normally I don't like bringing my GoPro in the water, but since we can't go snorkeling, I might. Also, I found out that we could be hunting lobsters and it might actually be illegal, so therefore I could be an international pirate. Could be kind of cool, you know, on the bucket list, be a pirate. Oh my god, the water here is so clear. Now we just gotta find the rest of the crew. This place is just insane. Oh my god, like I did not think I'd be here. The water's just so clear over here.
They're really nice. No, it's really easy to spot.
So I'm just gonna be sitting on this like fallen down tree for a while. The crew's over there, but I'm just amazed on how clear this water is. Like you can't even tell it's there. Oh my god. Alrighty, let's go swimming.
I feel as if there's gonna be a Leviathan from Subnautica coming straight for me, right here.
It's now lunchtime, and my eyes hurt so badly from swimming in that water. Oh my god. This is what we got for selection today.
The black ones are there.
So we just finished having lunch, and now we're probably gonna be going like snorkeling just on the other side of the island, but we gotta let our food digest. Tom said. Oh shit, you got a lot bigger. Holy. Good morning. Today is day 3 of the trip, and today we're just slowly sailing to the next island. It turns out we were actually able to see the mainland the entire time. I guess it was just cloudy, so we weren't able to see it yesterday. After 3.5 months of travel, the first time ever have I set up the hammock. Okay, I would have set it up in San Cristobal in Mexico, but I kind of just forgot it. This time, I did not forget it, and I got it, and thankfully, there's no other hammock, so I feel quite useful. I gotta say thank you, Michael, for the hammock. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be walking around the island just looking for some like coral reefs or something so I can explore, because I really want to find them. And the one yesterday, like I kind of explored all that there was in the coral reef. So hopefully today there's like a bigger, better one. We got lobster right there. I don't know what the rest of the stuff is. Okay. Good morning. Today was day 4 of the trip, and I mocked the dinner last night. It was so good. Like the lobster was incredible. But today we're headed to a new island, and this is what we're having for breakfast. Kind of ate some of it already, but.
Mula, why is to kuna people make it more original, not tourist.
One of my favorite things about the San Blas Islands is honestly how small they are. Like you can see to the opposite side of the island, and I'm on the opposite side of the island right now, and I could see my crew. So They're quite small, and there's like hundreds of these islands. This is our third one, and sadly our last one. After this, we're gonna be on the boat for about 30 hours straight, headed straight to Cartagena. I think it might be cake. It's a nice little sweet treat on the beach. Went back for seconds because you know I had to. Come on. So it's around 2 o'clock right now, and we're permanently leaving the island and going to be setting sail for 30 plus hours to Cartagena. So should be fun. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this island. You're not the best. Honestly, I would have to say maybe the second one was my favorite. The first one was also very good. This one, it was okay. And I think I might just be saying that because this whole area right here is like very shallow reefs, and it hurts to walk. So you kind of have to swim like very oddly to get there. Yeah, so the paddle might be lost, and they might have to take the speedboat to the far, far island over there. Spaghetti with some meat. Reading my book. And now we are about to set sail for 30 plus hours onto Cartagena. So, wish us luck.
Okay guys, buen viaje.
Buen viaje. Estamos en Cartagena.
Okay, now that's the sunset. Woke up 30 seconds ago, listened to the Naruto filler episode soundtrack, and now I got burgers. A curva! Good morning. Today is day 5 of the trip, and it is pouring rain outside. But we did get cereal, and this tea is so hot, it's burning my legs. It's like midday, and I've had so many naps already. Like I woke up, ate breakfast, went back to sleep. Just waiting for lunch, gonna go back to sleep again. That's just the plan for today. So it's been like 5 minutes, and well, we're already getting lunch. Having tuna pasta. Hopefully it'll be good. I'm gonna hit a fat nap after. Good afternoon. Let me tell you, we did absolutely nothing today. We just slept the entire day. But now we're finally having dinner. There's a giant container ship just over there, and there is one farther in the distance, another one, and there was one that was heading this way. This boat has not moved for like 30 minutes now, but I don't know what we're having for dinner. We're having glizzies? Ooh. I have been scammed here. There's no glizzy in my hot dog, it's just cheese. The boat has gotten suspiciously closer, aka has not moved, and we have moved towards it. This concludes day 5 of the boat ride, and tomorrow morning we will be in Cartagena. Good night. Good morning. Today is day 6 of the adventure, and I have to say, we have arrived in Cartagena. It looks nothing like what I thought it would be. I thought it would look a lot like smaller, but no, I guess not. I was not expecting skyscrapers here, to be honest. You see all the city right there. You see like a little bit of a colonial setting, so I think we might be staying there. So our breakfast for the last day is a triple-decker PB&J. Love to know that. Well, I got lovely news, and that is that I have to pay 85 Canadian, or about 65 US to enter Colombia. But if I came with my Polish passport, I wouldn't have to pay anything. So, well, that's sometimes you should do research on where you're going, because otherwise you gotta pay a stupid fee. It's not even a visa. It's just I just gotta pay, just cause they hate me. And this is a reminder: if you have dual passports, travel with dual passports, so you don't get stuff like this. Okay, even in El Salvador, if I had a Polish passport, I wouldn't have to pay for entry. But with Canadian, I gotta pay. Man, I can't even pay with USD. I have to go and pay with Colombian pesos. So they're allowing me to go to the supermarket, pay, and take money out, which is so stupid because that basically adds an extra $5 fee. So it's kind of stupid, you know. I should have just traveled with both my passports, but so far, Colombia's not making a good first impression. Well, I paid my fee, and now we are on our way to a cafe right now, everyone with their bags and everything. So I wanted to mention that one of the crewmates was Zorro, the right-hand man. His name was Zorro. That's a Little reference to a little show. You guys gotta watch One Piece, I'm telling you. Whoa. Fit for a king.